Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Omni Pool Chlorine Stabilizer. What is Omni Pool Chlorine Stabilizer? Omni Pool Chlorine Stabilizer is required treatment for any pool exposed to sunlight, which can break down chlorine at the molecular level and render it ineffective at keeping your pool safe. Chlorine Stabilizer's formula is comprised of 100% cyanuric acid, avoiding adding any other unnecessary chemicals into your pool water. After treatment, your pool will use chlorine much more efficiently regardless of the sun's intensity on even the hottest days of summer, ensuring your pool will be protected and healthy. Product benefits: raises CYA levels. 1 pound per 4,000 gallons of water will raise CYA by 30 ppm. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.